My name is Joshua Niles. I'm the owner here at R&L Solutions. We're a heavy-duty automotive and diesel repair shop. We've been in business since 2024. We've been in this for a little over 2.5, almost 3 years now. We do all the way from medium duty to heavy duty, automotive, full engine repairs. Year and a half into our business, we decided we were growing faster than what we could handle. We've only been in business for about a year now, and we're needing funding. Had great income coming in, so I reached out to find some cash advantage loans that would help with cash flow. We were wanting to expand the building, expand parking lots so that I have more recurring income, and we took out an MCA to help with that. I feel like when I first did an MCA, we needed the money, so I didn't really understand the whole aspect of the fine print. So it was a little bit deceiving on the MCA part for cash advantage. I didn't realize that some of the paybacks would be what they were. We found Eastern online, did a bunch of research Googling, and found Eastern Financial Partners, picked up the phone, called them. They were amazing to deal with, amazing to work through the situation. Sat down with them and gave detailed information about how we were operating, how our cash flow needs were, and they immediately jumped on board and were willing to help. So when Eastern got on board, they immediately went to work with going to bat for us against our MCAs. They basically said, hey, we're going to negotiate all your debt and we are going to consolidate everything down to one. And they took everything and saved us a tremendous amount of money monthly and cash flow for revenue. Once Eastern Financial Partners sat down and we all figured it out on what was payback versus what was owed, and they were able to save our company roughly about $50,000 as a whole, just in fees and high interest rates. They were able to lower my monthly payment and save our business a tremendous amount of money. I would definitely recommend Eastern Financial Partners to anybody that has an MCA. They were definitely willing to work with you. They get on board and they go to bat for you. The fact that they offer everything to legal counsel, anything you would need, they've been a great asset to our company. Overall, working with Eastern Financial Partners has been a benefit to my business and help us to be able to grow and succeed and not slow us down.